Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. I hope all is well at home. I want to say thank you to so many of you, just about all of you, who are doing a great job in your assignments and getting in on time. I appreciate your hard work. I know this is funky times, but you guys are doing a great job. A couple of things today. We have a Who Said It Enlightenment assignment, which Miss Gross is going to make a video of how to do it, and going to give you the nuts and bolts on that. Which the whole point of the Enlightenment is that we copied, U.S. government copied these Enlightenment thinkers' ideas. So she's going to walk you through kind of what we copied, and you're going to be analyzing that. And then you're going to be doing a vocabulary assignment that combines the scientific revolution and Enlightenment. And you're going to do the In Other Words assignment. I know you've done it like a million times, but I feel like it's easy because you know what exactly to do. And then you'll be taking a quiz, which you can retake. And I promise we keep trying to reset the quiz, but we've figured out that when you assign it, after you assign it, it sets back to you can't retake it. So we have to go back in after we've posted it and make sure that it's retakeable. So I apologize for that. I'm doing a little learning too on Google Classroom still. Let's see. Also, thank you to, there's like 26 or 27 of you that showed up to our meet at 9 o'clock last week. And so we're going to do it again, just from 9 to 9:30. Check in with you guys. It's good to see your faces and talk to you. We're going to play a game, and it should be a fun little activity. So I don't know. I hope that you guys make it. And as again, from 9 to 9:30 on Thursday. And the Flipgrid was hilarious. You guys are funny, and I had a smile on my face. I showed my whole family your jokes, and my daughter was chiming in, so that was fun. And I think a few stretchy people for your talent, and another juggler, Brody. Nice job. So anyways, thanks for participation there. We'll probably do another one of those soon. And what else? Oh, okay, so grades. I've been trying to input grades every Monday. So I look at the last week's work that was turned in. And of course, Ms. Gross has been getting back to you with questions. So if you turn something in late, though, it's going to take a little bit for me to get it in, because I put in grades for the previous week on Monday, but I don't put them again in until the following Monday, the next Monday. So if you find that you haven't had something graded, even though you turned it in, it's because it's late. And that's fine. I'll get it in, but it's maybe not a first priority. But I can say, generally speaking, though, you guys have been doing a stellar job. Thumbs up. Big thumbs up. Nice work. And I look forward to seeing you on Thursday, and have a great week. We get to surf this week if you want. You get to go in the water, even though it's kind of gross red tide water, but hey, enjoy the beach. Go for a walk. Bye.